Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and yes, I am officially coming to you with my first ever Temu haul. I know you guys have seen these hauls all over YouTube, so I decided to go ahead and dive in. Anyway, all of this in this package, I spent $27. I think it was $25 to $27, this entire package. They have so many deals on Temu, and no, I am not sponsored by them at all. They have reached out to me to ask me if I want to do it, but that hasn't gone in effect at all as of yet. But I decided to do this on my own. I told them, I was like, I'd be happy to collab with y'all, but I've already bought my package. So that's what I'm going to do today. I am going to open up this package. But like I said, they have so many deals that what they end up doing is like having you spin wheels and all that kind of stuff, and you get so much percentage off. The stuff is dirt cheap, but we're gonna see if this stuff actually holds up to the money. Again, I didn't come off of much money, $27. I mean, that probably ain't even a pair of shoes sometimes, but you know, at a a regular store. So let's see what we have in this package. Let's go ahead and try to get this open. I got my little trusty scissors here. We're going to see what is in this package, honey, because when I tell you, when they packed it up, honey, they packed it up, okay? They ain't even playing. Alright. This is so funny. And I'm thinking, it didn't take very long to get here. I want to say, let's say 2 weeks max, maybe, if that. But not a big deal considering you're not hardly spending very much money. Okay. This is, I think I got 6 of these. And I bet y'all like, what in the world is that? These are for my shoes. So basically, what you do is you put one shoe here and one shoe here. And that way you can store these in your closet and you're not taking up so much space. So here, let me just show you an example of the shoes that I can put here in this little contraption right here. So hold on one second. So this is how you would actually store it in your closet. So it would be in your closet like this, and that way you can see what shoe it actually is, and then the other shoe is stored right inside of it. So basically you're stacking the shoes on top of each other, and you're only taking up one space instead of two, so that way you can get more shoes. And you know we love shoes. So with this, I believe I think they were like $6 or something like that, but they were like, I think 3 in a package for $6, I don't know, something like that, but it was very, very cheap. So I ended up getting, like, I got this one, I got 2 more here, so that's 3. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. Y'all, I'm not even finished. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I can actually put away 18 pairs of shoes in my closet and not take up a whole bunch of space. And it was like really, really, really inexpensive. So let's move on to the next thing. Oh yes, I got a scale for our luggage. So as y'all know, sometimes Earl and I, we travel, sometimes we fly, most of the time we cruise, but this is an actual, let's see here if I can, oh, I guess I need to open it and take out the, there we go, let's see if that'll make it work. Yeah, that'll make it work. So as you see here, I just turned it on. right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get like a bag. And I'll get my purse to show you guys. And it'll tell you how much it actually weighs. And that way you'll know. So right now it is telling me. Oh, here, let's see. Let me change the unit to pounds. Okay. So I just changed the unit to pounds. And right there, if you guys, can you guys see that? I hope you can see it. It's kind of bright in here. I think it says like 3.5 pounds. My purse is weighing 3.5 pounds. That's a lot. But this is kind of cool because what you do is when you get your luggage, you put your luggage on here and it'll tell you how much your luggage weighs. And that way you'll know if you're going above the amount of pounds that the airline actually allows you to put on the plane without having to pay. So yeah, this little weight thing, and it works pretty good. And you can do it in kilograms and in pounds. So yeah, I thought this was pretty cool. I've been wanting one of these and just never got it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And it goes on, you can turn it on and turn it off. So you won't have to let the battery run down. Okay, so let me put my purse over here. Okay, so after a while, I just started like, let me get this, let me get that, let me just see what I can find, child. And I was just getting all kinds of stuff. So then I ended up seeing this little mini electric iron. And it also has steam. I have a steamer, but sometimes it doesn't work at the best. And I got that steamer off of Amazon, but it just sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you just need a good iron. And y'all, look how stinking cute this iron is. It's just the littlest thing. And like I said, it has steam here, a steam button. But I think what it is that you can feel this, yes, with this hole right here. I'll show you. I'll come up close so you guys can see. Right here, you can put water in here so that this little iron can produce a little steam. And when you want a little shot of steam, you push this button. But this is, it gets hot. I believe it's some type of metal. And it gets hot and you can iron your clothes and you're not pulling out a big, huge iron. And I think this is really good, especially if you travel. And you like your clothes get wrinkled a little bit and you just kind of want to iron out some of the wrinkles. This works pretty good. So I thought this was pretty cute. And again, I need to, what I'll do is I'll be putting the prices underneath all of these and then maybe even put a link or something where you guys can get the same thing. But all this stuff is on Temu. So this is this little iron and it is a, yeah, just a mini, a mini electric iron. Upgrade porcelain gold hot plate. Once hot, it will flatten without hurting the clothes. So that's good. And then it also came with this cute little cup with the spout on it so that you can feel, put the water in there. So see, you turn this, get the handle out of the way, and then you just put the water in there, turn it back, plug it in, and get the iron. It's pretty cool. Okay, and with all the whole COVID thing, I've been wanting an infrared electric forehead thermometer so that you can take a person's temperature. Now, I don't think there's batteries in here. No, and it looks like it takes 2 AAA batteries, but you guys know how this works. Basically, you point the thermometer to your head, and then right here it'll tell you what the temperature is. So I think this is pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe try to get some batteries and see if I can get this to work. Okay, so I put batteries in here, but nothing is happening. When I read the instructions, it actually said to give it 30 minutes to warm up or something to regular room temperature. So I don't know. If it does start working, I'll put something on the video to let you know that it did eventually start working and maybe show you guys that it actually works. But right now it's a fail. I put 2 fresh AAA batteries in here and nothing has displayed. And they said normally when it displays, then I hit the set button to set, like if I want Celsius or Fahrenheit or whatever. So we'll keep checking on this and seeing if it worked. For now, I'll just kind of sit it and see if it warms up to room temperature. I don't know. It's crazy. All right. I got a couple of more things in here, I think. So I ended up getting this thing. As you know, I have my little kitty chef around here. And he has a tendency to lay on this certain couch. But I actually put a cover on the couch. But this is supposed to be the chomp chomp, where you're actually supposed to be able to get all of his hair off. He's right here. Let me see if he'll let me rub him with this. He did. And just a little hair came off. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Just a few little strands of hair. But normally, you know, like if it's on the couch or whatever, it's supposed to roll and catch this hair. And then I think what it is you lift this off, and then there should be like hair on the inside that you can discard. So this is called, what is this called? This, I think normally people call it the chomp chomp or whatever, but basically, like I said, you simply roll it back and forth on couch, bedding, and other surfaces. You press the button gently to open the lid, remove all the pet hair from the dustbin, and then close the lid. So that's it. I think this will work really good right now. He only lays on like that certain area on the couch that I already have a pet cover on. Everything else we try to keep him off of, but if there's times that, you know, he does leave hair, I'll be able to easily remove it with this. Yes. And I think, oh no, we got one more thing. Oh, this also, I think this I must have bought this too. I didn't even realize. But this is also a pet hair remover too. I don't know if they threw this in here, because I'm really buying this. But this is also like a pet hair remover, and as you can see, it's wood, nice wood, but then it also has these little teeth right here that'll kind of grab the hair. So yeah. Look at how much space that these things provided. I'm definitely gonna get more. This is, I only got 18. So I love how, first of all, how organized it is, but just so neatly done. And look at all the space. Like all my shoes went over there and they were like stacked on top of each other. So I still have a few pairs that I can actually get. So I might just buy some more of these just to have, because I also have this in my bathroom here. I have shoes down here. And can you imagine how nice and organized that would look? Here, let me let you guys see like how organized that could possibly get. I need to take one down and see how, you know, the heels, like if I was to put heels in it and how that would look inside of it. Now, a few of these did come cracked, and I'm gonna let them know that I got, like, you can guys can kind of see, let me see, like this one here. You see that? This one here, that's 2. I think there was another one. I thought there was another one that was cracked. There was quite a few that I had to kind of make shift and make it work. But definitely these 2 I see so far that are actually cracked. I don't think any on this side was cracked, but I know over here. Oh, here's another one right here. It's cracked right there. So that's like 3, like, which is a whole package actually, because they come 3 to a pack. So basically, I'm gonna try to order some myself and get them, you know, with my own money, and get this whole closet up here organized, because I have shoes here too. I actually have shoes down here. Organizing, you know, I guess what I want is like the shoes that I want to wear like every day down here, and then the ones that I don't wear that much, they could possibly be up here, like, you know, I don't know. But anyway, I just love the way you know, these actually work. As for organization, it looks really good. So, you know, a lot of people are paying a lot of money for custom closets and stuff like that, but this is one way that you can have your closet looking custom. If I had my pick, I probably would have got these in white, but I think all they had was green, so no worries. But you know, things like this from IKEA can keep your closet looking customized or whatever. So yeah, and where, you know, you have plenty of space here on the room. These are the shoes that I wore today to church, and then but these are going to go up. I don't know, I just felt like these wouldn't fit in that thing because of the high, you know, they have high tops. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put these back, and then yeah, but I like it so far, you guys. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys really quick that this thing actually works good on heels too. Now what it didn't really do well on, and I don't know, maybe if I need to force it, was like little mini boots like this. I don't know, it may. Let's just try it out, but I do see that it works well on heels. So I would be able to organize my actual closet. So let's just kind of check and see if it'll work on that boot. No, it's not going to work. Now, however, having said that, there is another way that this could actually work. So like you could put a lower shoe here, a shoe that would actually fit in here, and then put this boot on top and have another section where you have the same match. You know what I'm saying? Like, say for instance, you put a tennis shoe here. Like, say for instance, you put a red tennis shoe here. You got your gray boot on top. Then on the next one, you can put a red tennis shoe here and a gray boot on top. So that way it's, you know, kind of having the same on, but next to each other. So, I mean, it could possibly work like that if you really wanted to store your boots or something like that and have it, you know, all organized. It's totally up to you, but it could work that way. But actually going underneath, no, because this is way too high and this thing does not stretch that high to be able to cover that boot. So now you got your answer. Now what I could possibly do is take this and kind of bend. Oops, I'm about to drop this shoe. Is, you know, bend this down a little bit so that it could get under here, but I don't want to deform my boot or anything like that. So yeah, but that's it. I just wanted you guys to kind of see that and see how that worked, and it worked perfectly fine. It picked up plenty of hair. So with this one, you have to roll it back and forth. You roll it one way, roll it back, and then that way it captures the hair back here. But this is where he likes to sit sometimes. And so at night, he kind of perches himself up here and, you know, like keeps watch over the house, I guess, or whatever. But I don't like it because this right here happens. So if someone actually had sat and had their back up against there, then they, you know, and had on something black, they would have got all of this hair on them. So at least I know this works. Works really well. This is what it looks like on the front. And basically you just roll it back and forth. It captures the hair and then it locks it away here in the back. So yeah, it actually works. If you want one, go ahead and get it from Temu. This will be a won't fail, and I'll see if I'll either get a refund for it or get a replacement. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you liked my first Temu haul. Not sure if I feel like I would order again, especially things like this to organize the closet, those shoe organizers, put them in my closet, keep things kind of organized. So we shall see. Again, if this is something that you like, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you over here at the Darkberry32 family. Also, don't forget to give me a like if this was a nice quick video that you enjoyed. And also share. Sharing is caring, and that is my name, Karen. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I shall talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Yeah, we're gonna do it all night. We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life.